guys, oh, ang laki ng maisa nila. Puro yan mais. Grabe, ang laki. Pero ipakain lang nila sa kanilang mga baka, guys. Para sa winter. Then sa kabilang side, puro yan mais. Mais. Yan, laking farm dito. Ito din, farmer. Hey, Cookie. Okay ka lang? Ha? This is his second time, right? Driving far. And so far, he is good. Right? Ma? Yeah, just the yes, the black one. Go sit down. Yeah, sit down. Look at your brother, he's sleeping. We won't be long. It's nice drive today. Oh, Kingston. Truck. What do you want? You need to go pee-pee? Or you're thirsty? Happy Sunday, everyone.
I need a facility Saturday. To do it at.
Oh, Sunday, sorry. Oh. Happy Saturday, everyone. We're going to the beach.
I'll order it next week.
So we're going to
like $110 for the
beach with Bryant family. So here's the lake.
Technically do, but we don't have the books. I have it on myself.
No, we're not going to the US, and they knows that. It's still part of Kingston. I don't know. So we'll see. This is our first time.
Yeah, we have to look at your email and do a search for your Nexus.
Amherst Island Ferry Service. So we're waiting for the ferry. So ito ang malawakang river dito sa lungsod ng Kingston. Napakalaki niya. So kailangan kang sumakay ng ferry para tumawid doon sa kabilang side. Mura lang naman ang pamasahe dito. Parang $10 lang yata. At saka mga 15 to 20 minutes yata ang ang crossing. Not sure. Basta napakalawak niya. Akala mo siya tingnan is dagat, diba? Pero hindi. Lang yan siya, river. So dito ang mga tao madalas maliligo every summer kasi maganda ang tubig. Malinaw. Pero pag winter, ayun, nagfo-frozen din yan. Patuloy pa rin bumibiyahe yung ferry pag winter.
Oh, they're fine. They can still stand. He's still rescuing me.
Tristan,
I got 5G.
don't go far.
Somewhat.
Parang nasa Pilipinas lang kami.
I have, but it's very slow.
Ang ganda dito guys, oh. Parang nasa Pilipinas lang kami nag-picnic. We're here together with the Bryant family. Here's the kids. Cookie, stop barking. Cookie.
Hey! Hit by jellyfish, but they were babies, so it wasn't too bad.
They're probably like 3 times as far as the other ones. Red, head above water.
Oh yeah, same.
And they're like, and they don't know how to swim. Like,
Okay, and then that night,
Tristan!
then the water would be all down and you could walk on it. That's all, like low tide, you could walk there, and then high tide, you can't
No.
even come close to the bottom.
so it's funny though, like, except they couldn't look at swim. They're all over just barely head
Yeah,
above
yeah.
water.
Oh, it was actually above us for high tide.
I was up there swimming up really far in there, not nowhere else to swim.
The wave is getting stronger, oh.
The wind is too.
Because the wind.
It's okay. Did I take them there, Lydia?
So you can't just come back and sit on me, pick up rocks, and get up and leave.
Did you pick one up with your butt?
There we go.
Clench. The old clencher. Oh, careful, buddy. Hey. Careful there.
Tristan, it's wavy. Careful. Move here.
I'm trying to clear up a little bit there now. You can see it.
Yeah.
Before I think the waves come in, the algae just be there.
They'll clean it all up though eventually.
Earlier when you first looked at it, it was just all algae all the way up there.
Okay. It's a lake, that's why it's like that. You don't, lakes don't move that much. This is moving quite a bit for a lake.
Look at the big boat over there. That thing has got to be huge. You can see
Oh, wow.
that from here.
Yeah, but he's gonna go to the Great Lakes. He can go down all the way to Toronto probably.
No, this is we're in the middle of Lake Ontario.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Like you'll see this thing like going across there. Like you can see way over there, like on the horizon. It's like, right?
Yeah.
Because I can see it from here, so that's got to be huge, like bigger than that probably.
Well, that guy's big.
You never realize how big a boats go on this water.
But in the Philippines there, you see the
Super
big,
yachts.
oh yeah, the big ones there with all the transports on it.
Like super ferries. Those things are huge.
No, but we also saw, going past our place, you always see the cargo ones.
Cargo lines.
Oh man, they're massive, and they just come right by. And,
So like if you go on the Bronxville and you stand there by the water, by where the Amazon is, you want things to big giant big cargo.
oh yeah. I know they would be down in Toronto, because that's where you do a door-to-door, they go to Toronto.
Well, I think it's just they're going through there, right? Because all the spots on the same bars to go out.
I'm surprised they don't put door-to-doors like the cargo containers on the train and ship them all the way to Vancouver and then across.
Probably get a discount for shipping it by. So probably we had enough to pull up like
Ang ganda dito.
weekend or something, right?
Ayan lang. What do you mean hi?
Oh, nice skip.
You get the distance, not the skip.
Yeah, I know. Tristan was getting disappointed. Mine's better.
I don't get my purse though.
For sure.
Okay, let's see which one is better. Lee. Sure, Lee, which one is better?
This one's better?
Oh.
I rock this hat.
Pretty is the expert. Day 3 na pala namin dito sa Kingston at napagpasyahan namin na pumunta doon sa park para dalhin ang mga bata at makapaglaro-laro at makakita rin ng iba-ibang view. Mga 30 minutes or 20 minutes yata ito galing sa bahay ng kaibigan namin. So, ayan. Pagdating namin dito, may train na dumaan doon sa ibabaw. Yan pala ang train na nagdadala ng mga goods galing sa iba't ibang bansa. So, galing siguro yan sa Montreal kasi yung Montreal lang ang may malaking daungan ng mga malalaking barko na galing sa iba't ibang bansa. At ito ay dinadala nila via train papuntang Toronto. At ang Toronto kasi ang pinaka distribution ng lahat ng mga goods. So, ayan, dadalhin nila yan sa sa Toronto. Malaki siya, mataas. Kaya maraming dalang mga goods yan. Iba't ibang klase, may gas. So, iwan ko kung anong laman ng mga container na mga ganyan. So, napakahaba niya. Nakakatuwang tingnan. Bihira lang kami makakita ng train. Wala kasi sa aming bundok. Anyways guys, ito palang kanal na ito ay dadaanan ng mga yachts. Maraming mga yachts ang dumating dito sa kanal na ito. At nakakamangha kasi binubuksan nila yung kanal by manual. So, yung nag-ooperate dyan is manual. So, hinahatak-hatak nila, tinoturn-turn yung pang-open ng gate. Para siyang tingnan, nakakapagod kasi minamanual, yung tinutuyok-tuyok yung Pero ginawa nila yon pang maintain ng originality kasi ganyan talaga noon, manual. Parang ginagawa nila pang attraction na rin, dagdag attraction para ma-preserve nila yung old fashion. So, sila yung naka-uniform dyan na dumaan. Sila yung crew na nagbabantay dito. So, maraming yachts ang dumaan. Ang gaganda ng mga yachts nila. Mga mayayaman ang dumadaan dito kasi sa pag-store ng yachts nila or pagdaan ng yate dito sa kanal na ito, malaki na siguro ang binabayad nilang entrance fee. Iwan ko kung saan sila, papauwi ba sila or gusto pa nilang tawag doon, mag-boating. Ganyan talaga, maraming pera guys, di ba? Ang dami talagang magagawa. O sa yan, pataasin muna nila yung tubig bago dumaan ang yate dyan. So, yung parang bridge na kahoy, yan ang bubuksan nila mano-mano.
The water starts.
Doon sa kabila, may mechanical, ano bang tawag yun na hinahatak nila manually. So, yan, maraming nagpipiknik dito. Pwede kayong magpipiknik dito whole day. Free lang, walang bayad. So yan, nag-aantay silang umapaw yung tubig para makadaan itong yate na ito.
Rice ang tingnan yung tubig.
Paapawin yan
Ito, mga
tapos
boat
bubuksan
dito ay
yung gate. Kakatuwa siya tingnan.
Tatawid doon sa kabila.
Yeah. Tapos may another naman doon, gate na bubuksan na naman nila ulit, manually again, para hanggang makalabas yung yate doon.
Here, gimme.
Okay.
Nakakatuwa tingnan. Ayaw kaming tingnan ninyo. Ito, di ba? Mataas na yung tubig. O ayan, unti-unti nang nag-move yung ano, yung yate.
Tumaas na ang tubig.
Tapos i-open yan nila.
It's gonna get through.
Ito namang aso namin na initan. O yan, di ba, open na ang gate. Di ko pala nakunan yung ano,
So,
yung
ayan,
pag
open na.
manumano nilang pagbukas sa gate. O yan, unti-unti nang
Punta na ito.
dumadaan yung ano, yung yate. Maliit lang yan na ano, na kanal. Mga bata yung ano nila. Mga teenager, yung worker nila. O ayan, di ba yung mama nag-ano na, nag-manumanong binubuksan. Tapos doon naman sa kabila, ganun din ang gagawin nila. Bubuksan ulit. So yan, nandoon ang isa. Ito namang pangalawang yate. So yan, dumaan na ang pangalawang yate. Nandoon na ang isa. Ito naman. Ito naman ang pangatlong yate. So ganyan nila palabasin yung ano, yung yate dito sa kanal. Galing pa yan sa ano, pinakababa. Kasi sa unahan malaking ano, malaking sapa. Tapos pagkatapos niya nakatawid na. So i-close na naman yan nila yan ulit. So yung tatlong yate dito yun galing. Diba? Umapaw ang tubig. Marami ding naglalakad dito. Malalim yata yan kasi nakadaan yung yate. So yan, minamanumano nila yan isa't isa. Dito din. Ganun din ang ginagawa nila. Iwan ko kung magkano sahod nila dito.
Ano hindi naman malaki? Yung ano ba?
Yeah. Yan pala ang ano, ito ang ano nila, imanumanong i-roll para ano, para buksan. So ayan, di ba mababaw ang tubig kasi natapos na. Dumaan na lahat ng yate. So ganyan lang. Kung maliit lang siya na kanal. Tapos dumaan yung napakaraming yate. Di ba parang post lang. Yan ang gate. Yan ang binubuksan nila na ano.
This is connected to Ottawa River. There's a warning there. Says shark. Yeah, shark. Yeah, there's a warning over there. Caution, shark. When we come back, going up.
We'll see you come back, Recker.
Yes. Oh, there's more boat. I don't know.
Wonder if you're dead.
Might be dog down there. Like a walk right here. And then there's some fishing spots.
Or I'm not going to the path.
Huh?
I'm not going to pass them. Is anybody else coming?
Yeah, nice breeze.
Is anybody else coming? Are they watching the dog?
I told Lee. Yeah, someone drop it. Nice here, eh? See, yun ang gusto. This is what I want. Like walking. Refresh your mind. But Kingston is beautiful. There's lots of like this.
This also in Ottawa?
No, you have to drive to Quebec side farther.
Yeah, true.
Even there, oh, there's a path so you can walk up to the top.
No, there's like you'll see people and they do rock climbing here.
Yeah.
We'll harness up and we can find them in the
Every summer we come here. But we have to be
But you
prepared.
cannot do hiking.
No. Maybe they will caught a shark.
You start, Charles? Tiga, beta ka sa Tristan.
Nandun. So this is not dangerous because there's no warning. Oh yeah, no, I enjoy it. Kingston Mills. Oh, nag-ano sila sa likod o nagra-rock climbing. Maraming tao. Nagra-rock climbing sila.
Here's the back.
Oh, there's another train. Oh, that's going to Toronto. That is so cool. People allowed to swim here or no? That's deep.
No swimming back there.
Why it's dirty?
Well, I think it's because the boats.
Probably that's deep. Uy!
Hula, hulu, hulu.
Uy!
Try this. Just pretend. Sinasabi.
Nice breeze. Oh, nice. Oh, Gabby's coming.
Walang roof.
Yes. Okay, Victoria's Secret model. Wow. Getting all the angles.
I know there's lots of tiny fish. But be careful with him.
Ayan, malakas na ang tubig guys kasi ang tubig doon sa baba, papaano na, papabagsak na doon sa pinaka dulo yung pinuntahan natin kanina. Kaya tingnan mo para siyang pulse. Kaya nagbe-drain ang tubig doon sa ibabaw. Yung kita natin ng mga water. Mali pala ang interpretation ko sa shark water. Wala palang shark dyan. So ayan, may bumalik na naman na bangka. I mean,
There's another boat
parang maliit lang na
coming down to
yata.
the creek.
So ayan, tapos na ang aming paglalakwat siya ngayong araw na ito. Yung may train na naman pabalik. Ba't ibang train yan? Yung train na yan is passenger train. Ayan, may ano naman. May happy camper na dumaan. Nagbibinta yan ng mga colds like smoothie. Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng sunset. Papauwi na kami sa aming bahay. Natapos na ang aming mini vacation. Kailangan tayong lumabas minsan guys kasi nakakaboring kung nasa bahay lang tayo after work. Kung walang trabaho, may extra time. Kailangan maglabas-labas paminsan-minsan para maalis yung stress sa ating sarili.
Is there anything left of my dill pickle chips?
Pickle.